Hello everybody and welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up Dolphin so you guys can get your GameCube and Wii games going. This is going to be a tutorial for kind of the everyman, the person that isn't exactly technologically savvy and just wants to play their old games again. So the first thing you're going to do is go to your internet browser and type in Dolphin Emulator. I'll provide a link to this in the description, but you're just going to click on Download Dolphin. Scroll down to Stable and click on Download. Open it up. Should be a little file just like this, and it's going to ask you to select your language and where you want the program to be stored. I am not going to do this just because I already have Dolphin ready, and I'm just going to show you the things you need to know. So let's open up Dolphin, and as you can see, I have all my games. This is because I have a ROMs folder up here where I like to keep all my games fairly organized. Most of my game systems are right here. Go to GameCube, and there's my games. They should be in an ISO format, and they should read as a disk image file. But it really doesn't matter where you put them as long as they're typically in the same location. From here, you're going to go to Configuration. And this is going to be where it'll kind of depend on what kind of computer you're running. If you have a, we'll say a beefier computer, I would recommend enabling dual core. That typically helps the games run a little more smooth. Go to interface. There's nothing really in here that you need to change other than the theme. That's really just personal preference. Your audio, I usually keep it on fast. This guy right here, and yeah, that's your volume. Paths, this is going to be where you direct Dolphin to all your GameCube and or Wii games. You just click on Add, you go to the folder, and that's literally it. That is all you have to do, and Dolphin will populate with all the different games that you have. Go to GameCube, make sure you have a memory card in case you want to save your progress. And I'll probably cover Wii games at a different time. We'll just make this the GameCube episode. After that, go to Graphics. And this will also depend on your computer a little bit. If you don't have a graphics card or a good processor or anything like that, let's say you're just playing on an old laptop, go to OpenGL or Vulkan. Your mileage may vary. If you do have a graphics card, select your graphics card. And I personally love playing my games with widescreen. I know it's not the original way that the games were made, but aspect ratio, stretch to window, or 416:9 works like a charm. Start in full screen if you want. VSync if you have anything that can handle it. Enhancements, I have all my things set to looking pretty nice, and I usually don't have any problems. If you don't have any a graphics card or you're on the basic laptop again, just leave everything at auto. I mean, if you're just looking to play your games, don't really mess with any of this. Hacks, yeah, you really don't need to mess with it if you're just trying to play your games. The only other thing you need to do is add a controller. So go to controllers. I personally love using PS4 controllers, so if you do decide you want to go that way about it, there is an application called DS for Windows. I highly recommend downloading it. It's very easy to set up. All you do is you get a regular PS4 controller, you hold the PlayStation button and the share button until it's flashing, you connect it to your Bluetooth, and DS for Windows will see it as a controller. You'll go to Configure in Dolphin, and it'll show X input 0 gamepad. You just assign the buttons to whatever you want on the controller. So let's say you want your A button to be the X on the PlayStation button. Then you click this, and then you hit X on the PlayStation button, and it works. That's really it. There's not a whole lot to it. hopefully this helped you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.